Today, we're exploring the top 3 photo recovery apps for Android. We'll break down the features of each app to help you choose the best option for your needs. Drilii Data Recovery. Drilii Data Recovery is a powerful application designed to assist users in recovering deleted photos and other data from their Android devices. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation, making the recovery process straightforward for users of all experience levels. The app works by scanning the device's internal storage and external memory cards for lost files, providing users with a preview of recoverable items before initiating the restoration process. With its advanced features, Drilii is effective in retrieving a broad range of file types, ensuring that users can recover cherished memories with minimal hassle. Data Photo Recovery. Data Photo Recovery is a reliable tool specifically geared toward restoring deleted images from Android phones and tablets. This app employs sophisticated scanning techniques to locate lost photos quickly and efficiently. Users appreciate its ability to recover a variety of file formats, including JPEG, PNG, and GIF. The app also features a straightforward recovery process, allowing users to retrieve lost data with just a few taps. Data Photo Recovery is perfect for those who accidentally delete important photos or need to recover images from a corrupted device. Dumster Photo Recovery. Dumster Photo Recovery serves as a recycle bin for Android devices, enabling users to recover deleted files easily. It acts proactively by allowing users to restore deleted photos, videos, and other media files before they are permanently erased. The app provides a simple interface with options for quick recovery, organized file management, and a straightforward search function. Dumster also offers cloud storage integration, enhancing security, and providing users with an extra layer of protection for their files. Overall, it's an excellent choice for users who want an immediate and convenient recovery solution. Thanks for watching. We hope this review of Drilii Data Recovery, Data Photo Recovery, and Dumster Photo Recovery has helped you find the right solution for recovering your lost photos. Until next time, happy recovering.